Hey YouTube, this is the P38 pilot with another Victorinox knife review. This is the Victorinox Classic knife. Small little penknife. It's got a 1-inch penknife blade. No lock. It's got a nail file with a flathead screwdriver on the tip. It's got a scissors. Fairly decent. I mean, I would cut fishing line, paper. That's really about it with this. It's got a tweezers, which works for removing slivers or some of the other small stuff that you need to do. And it's got the toothpick. I purchased this knife with the Victorinox one-handed trucker. It was a package deal. I got it off of Amazon over a year ago for about 40 bucks. This knife is always on my keys. I figure I got my keys, I might as well just have a knife on it. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this knife. The blade comes decently sharp. The blade material is stainless steel. I'm not exactly sure on the actual grade of stainless steel, but it's a decent grade. It cuts well, holds an edge fairly well. I've only sharpened this once over the year that I've had it. This is my second knife that I carry every day. Well, actually, I should say every day I have my keys. It's got the nice little Swiss emblem. It's got a nice little lanyard key ring, which that's how I attach it to my keys. Plastic handles are okay. Mine have a few cracks and gouges from just carrying in my pocket and use. Overall, great knife. Good company from what I understand. I shall be doing more reviews when I have the time and the gear. Thanks for the views, and have a good day.